Hi boys and girls, we are ready for another OG lesson, and today we're going to focus on these two letters and sounds, the S that says S and the F that says F. Alright, and how we make it on our lowercase s, come around, and you want that little, I call it a Santa stomach, right in the middle. And on our F, it's like a candy cane. We start at the tip top, come up and around to make that candy cane and cross in the middle. Start here, gotta come up and grab that, come down and cross in the middle. So let's skywrite. Let's find your two fingers, do it with me, in your best skywriting superpower arm. Let's skywrite our S and say the sounds. Here we go. S, 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 S. All right, and then our F, let's skywrite. Here we go, up and around. F says F, F says F, F says F, as in fish, and S as in snake. Before we get to our paper, let's play a little ear game, and you need your not writing hand, your hand that you don't hold your pencil in. And we're going to tap out our sounds. So if we have the word bug, let's start with our pinky because we read from left to right. So that's how we're going to tap our sounds. Let's tap out each sound. One finger tap for each sound. B-ug. 3 sounds. Let's try the word hop. Hop. 3 sounds. Let's try the word wet. Wet. 3 sounds. What about the word lick? L-ick. 3 sounds again. One more. What about yes? Yes. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. We're going to play another game. This time you need your wipe-off board or paper. And I'm going to say a word. And if that word starts with S, I want you to write me your best S. And if that word starts with a F sound at the beginning, make your best F. If you don't hear those sounds, then don't write anything. Here we go. Our first word is sun. Yes, I hear S at the beginning. Let's write our S. What about fish? Fish. I hear the F at the beginning. Make your best F. What about up? Oh, I don't hear any of these sounds. What about sock? Yep, I hear that S at the beginning. What about sip? I hear another S. What about 5? Yes, I hear that F sound. One more word, listen closely. What about fox? Yep, I hear that F again. Good job. Now you are ready to find your paper and pencil. Put your name at the tip top. Find that robot man. Put the date. Today's date the fast way we write it. All right, here we go. Put your finger on the rectangle, 4-sided rectangle. I'm going to say a letter name, and I want you to write that letter. Here we go, Y. Remember how we make a Y? Short slant first, then a long slant. Make me an S. How do we make an S? We just practice under the dotted line. There you go. Make me your best lowercase f. So look where I start. Now at the tip top, I come up and grab that tip top line, cross right in the middle on that line. Make me a lowercase w under the dotted line. Good job. Put your finger on the circle. Now listen for that letter sound I'm going to say, and you write the letter that says that sound. Here we go. S. Yep, it's that lowercase s again. Yep, as in fish. W. It's that W that makes that sound. G. Remember that letter, a G. Circle, pick up. Make a stick with a hook. All right, put your finger on this four-sided square. I'm going to say a keyword. You write the beginning sound of that keyword. Our keyword is snake. What does snake begin with? That stands for an S, right? Our next keyword, fish. Fish starts with that F, right? Goat. G. That's that letter G that goes with our keyword of goat. And our that last word, ox. Under the dotted line. Letter O. Put your finger on that triangle, three-sided shape. I want you to listen for the beginning sound, the first sound you hear. Fox. What letter starts fox? It's that F, right. Our next word, sun. What letter starts sun? Yes, it's that S. What about the word go? What's the beginning sounding go? It's that G, right. Wish. What letter starts wish? Beginning sound? W. Right. That W. Now let's go down to our diamond. And let's practice that letter again. What letter as in snake is that S? Let's write that again. And let's practice our sound as in fish. The F. Right. Now, let's flip our paper over. We're going to X out 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get to it soon. And let's go to our memory word. Before we get to our memory words, let's go over some old ones. Remember what this one is? To, a, of, I. All right. Now we practiced a new word yesterday. Do you remember what this word is? Am. A-M says am. Let's get our skywriter arm out again. And let's write it 3 times in the air. Ready? A-M says am. A-M says am. A-M says am. Let's write it now. Let's say it as we write it. A-M says am. A-M says am. A-M says am. A-M says am. Listen to my sentence. I am 6 years old. I am here. The word am you use when you're talking about yourself. I am a girl. Can you flip it, cover it up? Can you write it on your own without looking? Can you do it without looking? And then you can check it with me. All right, AM says am. Now let's go back to an old one that we just did. Do you remember what this word is? A. Let's write it. A. I would like a book. I would like a toy. Remember, sometimes we use that as, and we say the word So you got to know it both ways. Do you remember what this word is? When it's by itself, we always uppercase it. I. When you're talking about yourself, use the word I and you always uppercase it because it's by itself. All right, we're going to X out down here. We're not ready yet, but we will be soon. Good job today, boys and girls.